हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे फायरवॉल्स एंड उसके आर्किटेक्चर। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। अ फायरवॉल इज सेट ऑफ रिलेटेड प्रोग्राम्स located at the network gateway server that protects the resources of private network from user on other network. Firewalls are set of tools that monitor the flow of traffic between networks. A firewall placed at the network level and working closely with the router filters all the network packet to determine whether or not to be forward them toward their destination. A firewall is often installed away from the rest of network so that no incoming request can get directly to a private network resource. A firewall is an intrusion detection mechanism. Firewalls are specific to an organization's security policy. The setting of firewalls can be changed to make appropriate changes to the firewall functionality. The firewall verify the incoming and outgoing traffic. A router to move data between network. Firewall manage access of private network to host application. All the attempt to log into the network are identified for auditing. Unauthorized attempt can be identified by embedding an alarm that is triggered when an unauthorized user attempt to log in. Firewalls can filter packet based on address and types of traffic. They identify the source and destination address and port number. Address filtering, and they identify types of network traffic when protocol filtering. Firewalls can identify the state and attributes of the data packet. Here you can see in the diagram there are three interface: internet, firewall and private network. Internet is public network. देयर आर मैनी यूज़र्स कनेक्टेड टू द इंटरनेट. अभी इंटरनेट से क्या होता है, इंटरनेट से बहुत सारा डेटा आता है, ट्रैवल करता है. सो फायरवॉल क्या करेगा कि उस फिल्टर करेगा एंड उसको डेटा नहीं चाहिए, अनवांटेड ट्रैफिक, अनवांटेड डेटा वो रिमूव कर देगा. तो फायरवॉल ऐसे वर्क करता है, प्रोटेक्ट का वर्क करता है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं फायरवॉल आर्किटेक्चर. There are three architecture of firewall. First Bastion host, second screen subnet, third is multi home firewall. अभी हम लोग देखते हैं फर्स्ट वाला Bastion host. The Bastion host is designed for the purpose of defending against attack. It act as a mediator between insider and outside network. A Bastion host is a computer system designed and configured to protect network resource from attack. In this diagram, traffic entering or leaving the network passes through the firewall. It has two interfaces. First one is public interface directly connected to the internet, and second one private interface connected to intranet. नेक्स्ट हम लोग अभी देखते हैं स्क्रीन सबनेट. Screen subnet is a network architecture that uses single firewall with three network interface. First interface is used to connect internet, second interface DMZ, and third interface is used to connect intranet. अभी DMZ क्या होता है? DMZ is demilitarized zone. The DMZ is host computer or a network place as a neural network between a particular frame internal or private and network outside or public network to prevent the outside user from accessing the company's private data. DMZ is network that serve as a buffer between internal secure network and insecure internet. तो ये है DMZ. In this diagram, the screen subnet or DMZ contains hosts that offer public service. Public zone is directly connected to the internet and has no host control by the organization. Private zone has system that internet user have no business accessing. The main advantage with screen subnet, it is separate the DMZ and internet from the intranet, so that when the firewall is compromised, access to the intranet won't be possible. तो ये है स्क्रीन सबनेट आर्किटेक्चर. द लास्ट वन इज मल्टी होम फायरवॉल. A multi-home firewall generally refer to two or more network. Each interface is connected to the separated network segment logically and physically. A multi-home firewall is used to increase efficiency and reliability of an IP network. In this case, more than 3 interfaces are present that allow for further subdividing the system based on specific security object of the organization. तो ये है firewall architecture. Thank you for watching.